Good evening, everyone. So, a short video to share the experience in the Ukrainian-Slovakia border. I just reached there yesterday with Katya from Art of Living organization. We represent Art of Living NGO here. On that border, you know, every day there are like thousands of people passing with their luggage, with the kids. Many NGOs are here on the ground. Art of Living is one of them, once again. And yeah, I feel we do a great job. It's we do what we can, but we do a great job. We are here present. We take care of them like simple things first, but that, you know, gives a warm feeling because you feel taken care of. So they will get a warm drink, some food, some clothes. There are many things. There are also medical furnitures, and then we provide accommodation. So for the ones who needs, they can stay one night, they can stay more nights, and then carry on with their journey. So this is what we do. And one thing you will immediately observe is that there are only women crossing the border, and kids, women and kids, but there are no men, because of course they stay to fight. So this is something you can feel in the atmosphere, you know. There is kind of definitely of tension and heaviness regarding that. People left so many things behind, like material things, but most importantly they left their fathers, their cousins, husbands, brothers. If you also are interested to come, and especially if you speak Russian, that's very valuable, because then we can connect more with Ukrainian people and yeah, take care of them once again. So there was this form circulating to where you can fill up your availabilities and the time you can stay. So Art of Living team will come back to you, and now we are in Romania. Konstantin is there, in Poland, Swamiji Jyotirmaya, Swamiji Jataveda, Katya and myself, we are in Slovakia. Hungary, there is Beata and the whole team. So many countries, many things to do if you want to come. It's very, very precious.